You're on video.
Tyler.
That's me and my psycho self.
And then there's more.
You can see me.
Too late.
I am not Heather Gore.
Oh. Yeah.
And Heather, if you're watching this, that is not an insult.
Logging. Okay, this thing is gonna be right. Right here?
Right here, like, here, I should be like the main person in the show. Hello, everybody. This is my foot.
Hello, everybody. That was random. On this really weird pillow.
Good night.
One more camera. Erin! Ugly face Freako.
What's up? I'm
Chicken
Tyler.
butt.
Chicken butt? Oh my gosh. Chicken butts are awesome. Not that I
Any
don't
comment?
know. I mean,
What?
I don't know how.
Any comment?
I didn't mean that. Don't show this to anybody.
I will show this to my brother, Ron.
Yeah.
What's up?
And Sean.
Tom,
I'm doing
yeah.
this thing on.
Hello, Seth. My name is Tyler.
And he likes you.
Oh my gosh.
Just kidding.
No, I am not
No.
good.
Yeah, he is.
Anywho.
No, I like.
What was I saying? Oh yeah.
Oh, never mind.
What are you looking at?
You're.
Ew, your foot.
Look at my foot. It's so like hairy. It's like a Yeti foot.
Oh!
I've been exposed.
Look at this.
Is my mammoth foot.
Mammoth
my gosh.
hair. Whoa.
That is like
But yeah,
the
take
biggest
this.
looking
Get off.
thing I've ever seen.
Get
Oh
off.
my
Is
god.
it upside down?
No.
What that looks like? I can't say it
Get
when it's running.
off.
Okay.
Oh, do you know what girls have that guys don't?
No, don't say it. Don't say it. Don't say it. Don't say it.
Turn it off.
Smiley
Here.
face.
Give me.
That's
Give me the.
no. No.
That's so funny, Morgan. I have to say it.
I'll turn off the
Morgan,
camera
can
so
you
Tyler
say-
can say his joke.
Okay.
No,
It's not a joke.
it's not a joke. It's
Okay.
something. I mean,
Morgan and Alex say hi.